Box day, box day. Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and yeah, it's box day. Let's jump into them, see what we got. All right, so we are back in. Let's jump into these and see what it is. First box up. Let's see. Okay, how y'all been? You picked up any good fragrances lately? Anything good? Anything I need to check out? Look into? Oh, okay. A little bit of paper. Oh, okay. This is Pacific Blue, Maison Alhambra. This is supposed to be somewhat similar to one of the. I think it's one of the Tom Fords, Neroli Portofino. I think that's what it's supposed to be close to. But we'll check it out and see. Let's see the next one. Box here. Let's see what's in this one. Okay. Ooh. This one's taped up pretty nicely. Goodness gracious. Get in there. Here we go. Oh wow. Whatever this is stuffed in this box. Like they didn't take up any space. Look at this. Look how tight it is in there. What is this? Oh, this is the new Asad Elixir. Okay, cool. Let's jump into, let's do the Maison Alhambra first because this is a lighter scent, so it may, I don't want to be nose blind after using this one, using that one first and then this one. Let's see. I think it's supposed to be a stronger scent. All right, so here we go. On the side, the label, that side, nothing. On the back side, bunch of ingredients. On the top, that has the Maison Alhambra. On the front, it has the name Maison Alhambra. And then on the bottom, have a scanner code. Okay, let's see. Oh, surprise, surprise! It's still sitting in the case. Last couple of fragrances I got that was sitting in this type of case got knocked around and was there, but was not really there. It's about to fall out. All right, so let's go ahead and see what this smells like. I like this DNA, this Neroli Portofino DNA, if that's what this is. But and I have a couple of fragrances. Oh, that's a nice sprayer, just like a puff. Yeah, I have a couple of fragrances with this DNA, but this is actually a little bit different than the ones that I have. This one smells like it has a little more green to it than the other ones that I have. The ones that I have are more like a like citrus base, like bergamot and grapefruit and I think lemon. But this one has something green to it too, like almost like a mint, but like the mint leaf. Okay, it's turning now. It's becoming more of the citrus part, but that opening was kind of green. Okay, this is nice. This seems like it's going to be a good one for the summertime, and it's a little bit different from what I think the one I'm thinking of is the Neroli by Ferrari. Neroli something. I'll put the name up there. Yeah, but this is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. I like that. Actually, do I want to go on skin? Yeah, I'll just go on skin and see how it smells. Yeah, I kind of like that sprayer. That sprayer is pretty nice. Pretty nice bottle too. Ooh, a lot of alcohol. A lot of alcohol. Okay, it's gone. Yeah, the crazy thing is that on the tester strip, it was a little bit more green. It's still greener than the um the Ferrari one that I'm thinking about, but it's changing. It's becoming the Neroli. It's nice. So here's the bottle. This is not a new fragrance. It's just new to me. I've seen it a few times and I thought about getting it for a few times, and I figured, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger. If I know I like the DNA. If I feel like I'm not going to use it, I can just give it away. All right, but this one feels a little light. But this one is Asad, the Elixir. This is one of the newer ones. I'm not sure if this is the newest one that came out, but it is one of the newer ones. And from what I've heard, this one and the original Asad are supposed to be the best ones out of the collection. So, all right. So this one, how does this open? Let's check out the box first. There's that little Asad symbol on the front, name, and then on the sides, there's the ingredients. On the back is the sticker, and then on the other side is the finishing part of that back portion. Oh, and then on top it just has the Latif symbol, and the bottom has a scanner code. Let's see. Yeah, it's bouncing around a lot in here. Okay. Okay. Yes, the bottle is like black with matted black piano black accents. Pretty nice. And then the top is super reflective. Very nice though. All right, let's get a tester strip and see what this smells like. I'm probably gonna go on skin with this one too, since it's only 2 fragrances that I have. Let's see. Kind of sucky sprayer. Let's see. Oh, this is sweet. Oh, sweetened tobacco. Feels like it's faint, like it's fading pretty quickly, but it's like a sweet tobacco, like a little bit of freshness with it. Yeah, it's fainting really quick off of this tester strip. Is this supposed to be a fragrance that fades pretty quickly? Let's see. Let's go on the skin. Oh, okay. The spray is a little bit better now. But still, look, it's sprayed like halfway. It's like a halfway circle. It's not a full puff. I'm not sure if that's coming up. Let's see if you guys can see that. But wait a minute. It smells really faint. I don't know. Yeah, this one is really faint. It's like a really, really faint leather. I don't know. Maybe I got a fake bottle. Can you tell if this is a real bottle or not? Yeah, it's really faint. Let's shake it up a little bit. See if maybe it's maybe it hasn't macerated and needs to be shaken up. Let's see. Okay, I'm getting more of the sweet leather smell or tobacco or that I was getting from that. Hmm. But it's not projecting. It smells like it's supposed to be a heavy scent, a scent that kind of fills a room, but the DNA smells like that, but it's not coming off my skin. Like I can only smell it if I'm digging in my skin. Like I don't smell it. I don't smell it if I'm waving my hand. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, this one I smell if I wave my hand. Let's see. Try to clear my nose. No, not smelling anything. I may have gotten a fake bottle, guys. Um, Hold on a second. I'm gonna go get my other Assad bottle and see if I can compare the two and see maybe if I can see a difference. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm back and I got my old original Assad. It's just that, and this is the new one. They look pretty much the same, like the same bottle, other than this one looks like this little medallion piece is moved over a little bit more to the side, but maybe it's not even that. Maybe it just looks like it because of the color of the bottle. The writing looks like it's about the same. As you can see, some of my writing is faded off. The symbol on the top is faded a little bit. And this one is that. But so maybe it is the same. Both of them have the reflective top. The original Assad is in gold. The Elixir is in that piano black. So maybe it's not a fake. Maybe it just needs to macerate a little bit. But for right now, I'm getting very faint scent of it. It's like I can smell it, but it's not like if I have it on, if I walk past somebody, nobody's gonna smell it. Like you would have to be right up on me to smell it. So I guess I'll do a follow up with this a little bit later. But yeah, as far as the scent, I do like the scent. It smells like a sweet leather. Well, since we're here, I'll get the notes. Hold on a second again. Okay, so take three. All right, so for the Asad Elixir, I have the notes here. The top notes are pink pepper, saffron, and grapefruit. And then in the middle notes, there's tobacco, vanilla, cedarwood. That's why I was smelling tobacco and that vanilla. It has a sweet tobacco scent to it. Then in the base notes, there's frankincense, light amber, patchouli, and cashmere. And this one is supposed to be close to something. Let's see. It's supposed to be close to Boss Bottle Absolute. I've never smelled Boss Bottle Absolute. You know, if I did, it was in passing and I can't remember what it smells like. But the scent itself smells good. It's just, like I said, it's not projecting. It's not coming off my skin at all. So hopefully it'll get a little bit better in time. I'll put it on the shelf and let it macerate a little bit. Maybe that's what it was. Okay, and then for Pacific Blue, this one actually is pretty good. This one actually is projecting more than the the darker fragrance. Crazy enough. So for this one, the notes are, let's see. For Pacific Blue, the notes are lemon, mandarin, bergamot, bitter orange, rosemary, lavender, and myrtle for the top notes. And then for the middle notes, there's neroli, orange blossom, and jasmine. And then in the base notes, there's amber, angelica, and amberine. So, um, yeah, I guess I get all of those. But to me, it smells like it's a little bit more greener. So maybe the green is coming from maybe the rosemary. Yeah, it smells a little bit more greener than Neroli Portofino, which is I think that's what is supposed to be a clone of. Let's see. Yeah, Neroli Portofino and 4711. It's supposed to be similar to those. It is similar, not a clone, but yeah, this one I really would like for this one to be stronger, but it wasn't. But yeah, this one is definitely stronger. The Pacific Blue. All right, wait. Before I finish this, before you go, I have to make a correction. This fragrance does smell and it's strong. Actually, I don't know what was going on with my nose last night, but this morning I woke up. The tester strip that I had burning, man, burning that I sprayed, it was filling up the studio pretty much. It wasn't like a dense scent, but it was a scent that I could smell. It smelled kind of like a wood and sandalwood and like a cedar wood and sandalwood kind of mixed together. And then it was something like almost like a dirty cherry kind of vibe to it too, that was filling up the room. And it wasn't the blue Pacific that I had on because I put down, because that one is a whole different kind of scent, and I threw that strip away. But this one, and when I went to bed, as you can say, I just woke up. When I went to bed, I sprayed it on my arm just to see, a couple of more sprays just to see if I would smell something throughout the night or whatever. And when I woke up, it was still on my arm, and yeah, and it still kind of has a smoky kind of resinous kind of vibe to it. So I don't know what was going on with my nose last night. Maybe it was burnt out because I was testing quite a few fragrances. So maybe that's what it was. But it is a good one. I can't wait to wear it now. Put it on my skin and see if I actually get any responses from it while I'm wearing it. All right. Just want to jump in and tell you that. All right. See you next time. All right. That's all I got for you today. 2 new fragrances. Just running through them. Just doing a fresh opening. And hopefully I'll do a follow-up with these to see if they have changed a little bit. Hopefully the Asad has changed a little bit and will be projecting. Or I'll put it on some plain skin because I have been running around. Yeah. So thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about the 2 new fragrances I just picked up today. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.